This episode of The Young Turks is brought to you by Netflix. Focus on the Family has their CEO and president, Jim Daly, talking to World Magazine, and they ask him, hey, how are we doing on abortion and how are we doing on gay marriage? He says, well, on same-sex marriage, quote, we're losing on that one, especially among the 20 and 30-somethings. 65 to 70% of them favor same-sex marriage. I don't know if that's going to change with a little more age. Demographers would say probably not. We have probably lost that. I don't want to be extremist here, but I think we need to start calculating where we are in the culture. Well, congratulations. We apparently have won that battle. Even the leader of the conservative movement that despises same-sex marriage says we have probably lost. How you like them apples? There you go. End of this. So, and by the way, he's not even right about Christians among age groups. And we're not talking about the general population. We're talking about Christians here. Christian evangelicals who are the people he is supposed to be representing. Even when you look at the question of my faith leads me to the conclusion that the law should treat all people equally, including lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people. Well, that number is incredibly high across all brackets. In fact, at the 40 to 49 bracket, which is supposed to be the older bracket, or somewhat older bracket, 90%. Among 50 to 64-year-olds, 85% agree with that. Even among people above the age of 64, 84% agree. Do not discriminate against gays. And they have a whole host of questions, including same-sex marriage, and on every single count, these so-called Christian leaders lose because they don't actually represent Christians in this country, let alone the whole country. It is a complete and utter loss for their side. Americans do not want to discriminate against gay people. It is now loud and clear. And same-sex marriage obviously should be allowed throughout the land. If our politicians believed in the polls, believed in representing their constituents, they would make sure that it was legal everywhere. That is where the country is. Even the most right-wing person in the country agrees with that. Get a load of Netflix. They deliver the movie to your house, no late charges, free shipping.
You can watch thousands of movies or TV shows straight on your PC or on your television through a gaming console.
Netflix.com/TYT. Free trial membership. You get Netflix all over you.